Welcome back to my channel, A Teacher's Diary. Well, today's video, I'm gonna show you something that I get. Jadi video kali ini saya mau menunjukkan sesuatu yang saya dapat. Sebenarnya bulan ini, bulan Juni, sebentar lagi saya ulang tahun. Dan kayaknya saya mendapatkan special gift from my number one admirer. He brought me something. Last night he brought me something. What is that? Let's look at it. Yuk, lihat apa yang saya dapat. Tada! This is it. Early birthday gift. Kita lihat yuk, apa isinya. Wow, this is a box. I think this is something that I really want. Mari kita lihat bersama. I need a scissor. I need a scissor. Wow. So excited. Ooh. This is it. Ta-da! Wow. Oh. EOS M50. Wow, I got this super cute camera. We call this EOS M50. Apa aja yang ada di dalam box ini? This is the bonus, I guess. Wow, I got this one also. Is there anything here? Oh no, I got this, the super cute gimbal. Ada juga yang ini. Oke, before we unwrap this one, sebelum kita buka semua ini, kita singkirkan dulu boxnya. Masih ada nggak ya? Udah habis. Udah habis bonusnya, guys. Oke, sudah selesai unboxing yang this one. Jadi kita sudah lihat ada 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces di dalamnya. Kayaknya ini bonus-bonus deh. Oke, let's check this one. I need to unwrap this one. Unwrap means membuka bungkusnya. Tadadadam. I think everybody knows what is this. Kayaknya semua udah tahu apa ini. Okay. Let's move this one. Unwrap the plastic. What is this? Jadi ini pasti akan dipakai untuk membersihkan lensanya. Let's unwrap this one. Wow, jadi bagi yang mau membelinya sekarang, Anda akan dapatkan banyak bonus. Sorry, saya tidak lagi promosi barang ini ya. Because I got this one as a present. My early birthday gift. So, this is the bag. It's the bonus ya. Oke, so, pindahkan dulu yang ini. Check what is this? Unboxing the M50. Opening a package of a product. Let's do it. Oke, ketika kita unboxing, yang pertama yang kita akan lihat adalah this one. Magic Clear. Oke, this is screen protector. Of course, the next is user manual. Okay, I will read this later. And the next one is warranty card. Oke, seperti biasa ada kartu garansi. And this is, wow, I got a message. See where your curiosity takes you. See where your curiosity takes you. Mau dibawa kemana ya saya dengan penasaran saya dengan kamera ini. And what is this? Oh, this is the payment. I need to know how much is this. Omo, berapa ya harganya? Oops, I think it's a secret. Tapi harganya sekitar 7 jutaan kok. Let's see the next. What is the next? This is it. This is the Canon strap. Tali Canon. What's next? Wow, I got the card. Ada memory card. Ini 32 GB. What else? Ini untuk charge ya. Oke, kita bukanya sebentar aja karena kita lihat dulu yang lain. Oh. Well, this is MCUV. Ini adalah penyaring ya, atau juga penyerap sinar matahari sehingga kualitas gambar atau video Anda akan lebih terang lagi. Wow, this is cool. And this is the battery. Jadi ini baterai di dalam kamera. Tipenya adalah, I cannot see clearly, LPI 12. Wow. This is battery pack LPI 12. Wow. I think this is the lens. Super cute, but let's open it later. Lagi ya. And this one, chargernya. Okay, here is the charger. Battery charger. Okay, this is the charger. You need to put this here. Okay. Mari kita lihat selanjutnya. Apakah yang terakhir? Apa ada lagi dalamnya? And this is it, the camera body. Udah kosong dalamnya. This is the camera body. Let's unwrap. This is the important part. Ini yang paling penting. Wow, he choose the color, black color. Oh. This is so small. So small. Wow. So, I need to open this one to put this lens. Unwrap. This is unwrap. Keluarkan dari box, unboxing, dan keluarkan dari bungkusan, unwrap. Okay, so this is the lens. Okay, this is it, and let's see where's the battery. I need to put the battery here. Wow, this is so impressive. So this is it, M50. I got this as my early birthday from Cimri Network. Jadi sekali lagi saya nggak promo produk ini, because this is a present for me. I need to unbox this one. I need to unboxing this one, and I unwrapped everything inside the box. Selain unboxing, you can also learn some new items in English. Unboxing means you remove something from a box or opening a package from the box. After that, you will unwrap. You open the plastic. So you got a lot of things here. So I'm super excited how to run this one. Thank you very much for this really valuable gift for me. Well, this is the unboxing of M50 I got as a present or early birthday gift. Actually, I'm not a YouTuber. I just only share my experience as the teacher in my YouTube. So if you think that my channel is pretty useful for you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching A Teacher's Diary. Thank you, Jimri Network, for this valuable gift for me. Bye-bye.